Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my office. Hey, kamala mongjosi. Ngiyabonga ababuyile bazobukela itori ngiyabonga. And ngiyabonga nalabo bathi kali advice lithayipa le advices kuyaleboha abangazi kamala mongjosi. I'm a storyteller ngikhuluma izinto ezenzekile life. Ufuna istory esihlukumezile emoyeni or esihlukumezayo namanje emoyeni, you can inbox me ku TikTok and then ungisendele ngizokusendela nami then ungisendele iWhatsApp and sikhulume ke ungisendele indaba mina ngisendele indlebe and mina ngize ngaphansi ngizoshare labaleli bethu nelibona bafu advice or from here udire jwa ngiloba. Okay sharp ngibhalelo sisi uri awushoze na 2008 being a student like a student ke hlakanele brothers was like mukele ke urata in one uthi mina nasiqinisi together uthi uguy u8 years older than me, so mina leso sikhathi bengisifundela uguy nebekasebenza yabona. So uthi mangifunda so I was choosing uguy was like uyafuna ukuthi ngizoshaya ama sleep over wakhe, so naleke ngwanyana wo like concentrate le mo booking and it was impossible for me hore ke tlo the sleep over go guy. Okay sharp uthi leso sikhathi I was choosing mangifunda mina enough sasibenga fundi for a long time, so beyifunda until a diploma. So athola ukuthi ngiyafunda until diploma uguy abesathi yimi yena one rata like utondirela everything that I want. Ngaleso sikhathi indaba zesikolo mazenzeka uguy yena wathola umsebenzi sothi 400k away from la ngikhona khona yabona. Athola umsebenzi lapho i-dream job yakhe uguy was like, you know what, engicela ukuthi ungasiyi isikolo, mina I will assist you kawubhadala esikolo sikasixohela isikolo. Uguy wabese ngi-assista ke ngibhadalela ama-fees wami esikolo ngiyafunda. What else is it? That's when I realized ukuthi uguy kahle ufuna konke okuhle for mina, like udira everything and anything ukuthi impilo yami ibe easy yabona. Uthi okay sharp isikhathi sihambe I was choosing isikhathi sihambe 2008 9 10 hayi uguy vele athi, you know what, kawurata yabona mina ngiserious ngawo yabona. So I want us to ukuthi mina solid relationship ratane and planning hore re tla nyala one day. What else was it? Leso sikhathi ne uguy asebenza ngaleni mina ngihlala nami ngihlala like very good long distance relationship gapotse and that's the relationship ekibile ngikuyona le guy ever since the whole long distance relationship. Okay sharp uthi awushoze akungabi nenkinga ke mina no guy sidate uthi uguy 1% like imotholo hore ke advocate yajezelo umkhonyana athi advocate just nomkhonyana besingahlangani ngenyama thunyama besingayenzi ke le mistake each and every day niholo hore we protect ourselves because of mina ngapha ngiyafunda yena ngalo yasebenza but asho kahle athi, you know what baby, I love you but I'm not ready to have a child. Angifuna umntwana and please let's not have a child. Uthi linto vele besitafuleni besiyazi ke vele mina naye siyi2. What I was just ngasayidire mistake each and every time makuthi inkonzo uye vele uthi hey about protection bewuye vele the whole time. So bekimthepa katsela hore I know ukuthi we are careful ngakhona when coming to this issue about uthi hayi ngicede mangiceda ngibe ne like ukuthi internship go government yabona, ngibe ne internship lapho or ashoze izinto ziqale zibe mnandi ke lapho awushoze mina no guy besiplana everything or re tlo nyalana re tlo ba lengwana and ngwana re tlo mmitsa mang if the time comes ukuthi bana umntwana sizombiza ubani o like besele siplanile izinto zakhe siyasebenza ngiyasebenza nayasebenza like we are pushing izinto zethu ziba flexible yabona. So or awushoze kwenzeke ukuthi manje ke sesayeka indaba ye-just lomkhonyana sesayeka ke manje sesifuna ucreate our own little family. But what I was just kube kanjalo ke mina vele ngibe pregnant ngisasenza internship yami ngibe pregnant uthi mang pregnant uguy ajabule or throughout my pregnancy uguy was like, you know what baby, akibato hore unale ngwala utsamaye unamele taxi usuklehe, let me buy you a car. Uguy vele wabazo yangithengela ke imoto. Impilo yaqala ke size ibaka woni ngaphasi I've got my own place and then uguy ngithengele imoto. Uguy uhlala ngale but like every second week watla utombona, every second week watla utombona, or mina every second week nyaya nyambona, or even if ke batla ummona nako ke no ya ka mmona about because of like emotho waka and nna ke motho wa hae. Ora fast forward I was choosing uguy kubo ukuthuthumela amandwendwe ke okayithumela amandwendwe ekithi hayi kube ukuthi vele ama-families together atsibana ukavele yangilobola hayi afike vele umntwana makafika awusjosi I hope monate like relationship ishapo but after umntwana otofika sabuyela back to just lo mkhonyana because of we don't want another baby so kwaba ukuthi each and every time asenza ujas every time like be really careful like that uthi okay how one time I was just thinking uthi I was just kwenzeke ke ukuthi anikeze umntwana vele itablet anikeze umntwana itablet ngoba bekasela mdala nyama umntwana so mangamnikeza itablet njalo okay one time ngithatha tablet like I'm going through noma ngithi ngibona statements ebenkalo check statement mangithi there is this number man receiver the consent receiver the airtime I'm like hi le number lena kusingeyami so why should le number le abona solo ithola dicheleta wona ngithathe le number lengifonele how hayi ngikhuluma njani ngikhona ulela lesimangmango wife gaditosi so to titosi brothers wife gaditosi mina ngikhuluma nobana ukela ikhuluma nombali mbali umazi kanjani titosi awutitosi kimoto wakha how hayi titosi umuntu wami njani things like that abona singacabani kungabe ukuthi vele raro khona kufoni ngisikhulume like abantu abadala it's okay so to prove with statement usikhulumayo because I can hear ukuthi lo muntu lo yamazi and no like umutsiba ema ngimede kukholo but wena uthula ngifuna umuzi ukuthi uzothini yabona okay sharp uthi uguy vele ngimede vele kube conference call ngimede hayi mbaliso nangu uthi tosike khuluma uthi uguy ne afreeze a drop phone like ashiye sinjalo sikhwemile a drop phone ngicela la drop phone angifonele asha kunabantu abafuna ukudestroya empilweni wayefuna ukalo abantu bangidestroye kunabantu after me abafuna ukuthi ngijabule and this girl is one of those girls abafuna ukungidestroya so please ngicela ukuthi understand I don't know her and I've got nothing to do with her so please now ungasihlanganisi naye or awushozi ke wona umuntu scam one scam umpatha mark uthi ngibona ukuthi lo muntu ngitshela amanga athi umuntu aphike athi no she's trying to destroy me hey don't allow her into our lives she's creating impilo enhle uzofuna ukuyidestroya yabona or awushozi at that time it was 2 months after Nchamahadi after siba official mina naye uthi bekuyi 2016 by then ke mangifind out indaba lezi zabombali or I was so shattered umuntu lo bengimthemba nga everything that I have bengimthemba bengekuze kuvela umuntu angitshele otherwise became truster or manje 2016 izinto zashintsha or awusoze zashintsha okay azangisamthemba like ngaba so shattered ngaba broken kahle ukuthi how can this guy angikere so whereas na like I trust him trust ngayonke into yami ayikube umuntu ukuthi uyaqolisa no this girl angiphuthele kanjalo kube ukuthi nami ngiyacola sengiyadlulisa ngetla rank emuntu wakhe ke monna wakhe ayikifitisa just like that or I was just about relationship from the relationship azange saba the same like yabana ma cracks azange vele kusaba the same and azange nanoma sithi alikhulu refoni lana sekuba na that element of ujasathembani angisamthembi vele etol yabona I try to apologize I try ukuba nice kimi but I still have that thing ukuthi wena ngithola izinto efonini yakho ngingakazithandanga kilobona abombali efonini yakho yabona ora okay sharp awusuthi idaba efide 2016 2017 2018 uthi bengasimnandi because of ngagcina sengifola pregnant due to stress lidlule ngathekawufela ngabe sengiyamluza umntwana the second child ngabe sengiyamluza life azange saba mnandi I was chosen from there azange saba mnandi I lost something in me uthi vele ngifeel ngathi something in me died kilobona after I lost my child but ratlaring cause like bomama abaningi abadlula kule situation but bengazibalanga nami ukuthi one day ngizokwela under leso sibalo ukuthi I lost my child because of dealing with type of stress and stuff like that wabona. So uthi hayi sendlule ke kule issue leyo ukuthi ngiluza umntwana. Uthi one time awushozi sihleli umuntu uyangitshela ukuthi you know what, I need to talk to you about something yabona. Okay sharp. Uthi hayi abazali bami bangifonele bangitshela ukuthi kunomntwana ozile ekithi bathi umntwana umntwana ozile kini bathi umntwana ko kanjani yabona. Uthi you know I dated this girl kudala before ngihlangana nawe, so kwaba nama-rumors ukuthi pregnant. Mina ngaya kuye mangiya kuye ngithi ngiyombuza ukuthi umntwana wami ugel wangiqosha wathi umntwana kusengewami, so ngiphuma empilweni yakhe. So ngabe sekuphuma game ngabe sengiyaphuma kanjalo ke empilweni kagel. Uthi umntwana lo bathi una 21 years yabona. So I was just as much as bengizwe ubuhlungu, I lost my child, ngapha sokuvela ukuthi unomntwana ovela ngaphandle yabona, even though umntwana ovele before mina ngifika, but like angikujisa ubuhlungu. But kwenye indlela ngazitshela ukuthi no, ngoba I lost umntwana siki bomntwana, at least ke uzaba ne brother kilobona, abele brother wakuhaba kilobona. So uthi ngimtshele ngithi manje what's the way forward. Okay, I was like no, let's wenza ama DNA test to confirm if the child is mine. I was lona yuki accept give it them moyona. Okay, okay. Sizame ke impilo. I was my husband ne umuntu omunye udira ngisho original everything I need. Ngikhuluma nawe, so I've got 2 German cars parked ku garage yami, of which uye ube responsible ukuthi sithenga la ngihlala khona ngina ku the estates, and umntwana wami ungena the best schools ever. I like kwenza sure ukuthi mina ngimntwana si sharp, like ka everything. I don't want to complain ka with department ka o sharp. Ungitshita kahle financially dilutsa high sharp. Nami I'm independent. The reason ukuthi azange ngifuna ukuye kumsebenzi ngithi ngiyamlandelela ku province yakhe, it's because of nami ngisebenza umsebenzi alright this side. Naye ngale usebenza i-dream job yakhe. So I didn't want to be those girls who banya diwa then baxohela everything then they run after their husband. Bengafuna ukuza independence yami. That's the reason 400k away nami but because of the love and respect I had nakutsela and le hore ka mtrusta bengana those insecurities ka hore ka dira something snacks that side yangibamba. So it's okay, I was choosing one time silele uthi uma silele umuntu uthi kimi babes ngicela ukukhuluma nawe. Ucela ukukhuluma nami, so yini manje futhi kulobona uthi ngithatha light abana onkingi ngikubulela ka eng or awusizoza umuntu yangibheka uthi makangibheka kaqhwayiza izinyembe ezithi to kingi titosi kingi yini inkinga yabona. Uthi titosi athi ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe into serious wabona uthi answare like matsoke waxobulela lo wena into serious. Uthi ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lo sophuma ehlaleni ke manje ufuna ukukhuluma into serious. Uthi athi yimi athi please forgive me yabona, makaqala statement athi please forgive me, it's okay, what's wrong. Uthi awushozi a few days ago makalana ne, so beka nama lamps nyana mu ubona mu nalidi lamps mu ubona. So ngithi you know you need to go to the job, you need to go to the doctor and back check ukuthi what's wrong with you kulobona, cause like ke ngililozi why unalidi lamps nyana mu tsama go doctor. Uthi few days before the talk tsama o doctor ma check what ke or awushozi unalidi lamps ama lymph nodes bayibiza kanjalo ngisho. So unawo la ubona, so ugayo eventually aqina seya edoctorini uthi bayocheck abona. So makafika edoctorini idoctor mtshela uri bra wena phela HIV positive abona. So now ufuna ukukhuluma nami. Okay athi ngicela ngixolele yini hopula uri ke go doctorini go check out what's going on mona. Okay girl athi yebo athi the doctor uqeda usho ukuthi mina HIV positive or astrozi ngazo ngathi kuphuma intuthu ezindlebeni HIV positive jwang obona jwang and I don't know ukuthi kwenzekeni. I understand last time mangiya for i-COVID because ukayibeka ne-COVID, so that why last time for i-check up leso sikhathi. So ngathi ama-results makabuya abuya positive, so they didn't pick it up. So now can I pick it up manje ki-2022 nakwimi. So uthi bathi bayipick it up lesa sikhathi, so azange ngathi bangitshele khani bangitshela manje. So like ke positive, I'm sorry lena ke tsore ke thotse jwange or awusijozi ngimangale, like uyakhala ngaphana ngimthulise kamo. I'm shocked ke nahanela nna cause we were trying for a child bese hlele a re sa dira taba ela protection or ke nahanela le nna hore bana nna ke mo kae mo situation ning e wa bona. What awusijozi ngimbuza sangigange ayazange understand serasi. Uthi guy athi no azange kadira nothing funny, when azange udira nothing funny. Girl was like, no, I didn't, I couldn't. Ngasitsohe. Klo I was supposed ke maketsi ke chugile uyakhala, like I feel bad for him. Ngapha sengithukile phela my own health nami ukuthi Modimo obona ngithukile uthi vele ibe kanjalo awusijuzi vele sikhulume. We ask, we understand ukuthi ithole kanjani. Angicabangi ukuthi angabe uchithile ayithola. Ngiloba sengimzwela ubuhlungu ugayi ayi ukuthi abakuba treatment namhlanje ke prep yebano. Uthi abe treatment ugayi nami ngihambe ngiyocheckisa phela ukuthi nginayo. Awusijoza ama results aphume ukuthi no negative. Hayi ngibele futhi phela to confirm. Mangibela futhi ama results athi no girl u-negative or awusosikile uheba dimake kiriyo modimo leba dimbaka kale boga lenchirele ditsona kube ukuthi ke manje sendaba isala ngayi ukuthi mara kanjani ikulobona naye solo question mina kala kanjani ikulobona, like I don't understand or the way ngimazi ngakhona ugayi ukuthi ki advocate ya protection ngicabanga ukuthi angabe uyithole ngicanzi ikulobona kebe nokuthi hayi man angabe uyithole somewhere but not ngocansi because ngimazi ngimfazi wakhe ukuthi akathi untwana simfuni akasimfuni ki khotlopo all the way yabona. So uthi isikhathi se-Australia ugayi positive treatment like no prep bophilo ubutswela pilo. Uthi kube ukuthi ke weekend ke beke ya hore tshwantse ona ke thewe because like senza so hayi ngixake umntwana mleso sikhathi sekana 12 baka ibheke overnight bag baka weekend bag sihamba rusovakatshela udidi phela. Hayi masifika vele udidi ayi humonate siyaxoxa kumnandi or Australia we do have a good life beside ulola hayi but ulola who like still ngangihonto with kanjani ugayi maragudi ikilobona naye uyazi ukuthi kanjani agule ilukuthi like we've been together doing it without a protection but lena akilwali kilobona. So should you tolling ngeyindlela isnacks ubona rinali di doubts nje but eventual sifila sesamukela khona ukuthi ugayi phoza amaphilisi lena ke ama supporting wife daba ke rena re tswela pelo ka bophelo. Okay sifike ke endlini uthi awusho sifika endlini ugayi useshower nakeza naki busy kitchening, I'm cooking hayi uyaphuma eshowereni uyaqoka ubona. So uthi mangene ekamareni yazo manje kurasa iphone ngase bathroom kurasa iphone ngithi ngihamba vele ngithi ngicheckani wali phone rase bathroom because lo muntu ngimbonile uphumile yabona. So uthi mange bathroom bayageza bekabukele something ku YouTube. So you know YouTube mawungayihlala wathi play iphone is key I read ya di unlock so uyodlala until this repeat. So that was the case. So uthi iphone my unlockiwe kanjalo or awusoze akibatamela phone ngiyakutshwara phone kana ke re go phone monna wena santse o itshaba ke manyanya tha itshwariwe awusoze let's go or for the fact hore ke batla ke letswalo pelo ka re tshwara phone go through that phone o bona hore pila what's going on inside this phone yabona with Australian ngithatha phone uthi mangithatha phone ngiscroll ngithi ko WhatsApp chat uthi ngengale uthi Australian ngithatha phone ngithi WhatsApp ora ke WhatsApp ke bone lena le sihle ubani usihle hayi uthi ngivule vele WhatsApp chat yabo uthi mangithi ikopanyana ngihlangane ne pregnancy test kani ibabiza in pregnancy test le ikhona ikomisa ama weeks ngikuhlikama mara nayazi nangibamba uthi ngihlangabezana nayo uthi ngaphansi ibhalile ukuthi I'm pregnant babes I'm pregnant or I was ngathi ngaziqaqela ngalinyela or this guy all the time bekabhiza ngibuza ukuthi asiwe mara like global like only motho hore before like I could find out what negative I believe ukuthi I've got something to do le gore na positive. And on top of everything after saying ke amogetse I was just ke dirile this thing my secret gore ke no ke family ya ka ke tlo in he's my husband like in sickness and in health ngizohlala naye still uyakontle uyofeba ngaphandle without protection as a practice I was just kamolata ka rompotsa masebo wa nyela ke into yetsang but uthi ngamconfront manje guy I was like hey all I was just as I didn't want to listen to anything uthi ngave ngathi back yami ngamshana lo mntwana wakhe uthi nga drive back I went back home. Or also see like we hold this thing ngore bana ngise ke batla go baka di packets tsaka ke batla go tsamaya yo yazi uthi bengasafuni next ngikwatile uthi say I'm checking ukuthi ke tsamaya I'm moving out in or I'm checking izindawo zokuhlala akisabatla selu like this guy like unrobile moya like break that trust I had for yena but or also see kube kanjalo vele ngimshiya kanjalo ngihambe vele ngendlela uthi hayi I was just kube ukuthi vele so phone la ma family members uyafona vele basekibu side la sekibu phela uyachaza ukwenzekeni mina ngathatha ifone ngafonela mama this into yenzekile ukawenze wenza or banongelinisa kawufela phela ngirikudla botlhoko lena uthi ngitshela mama was like you know what mntwana mi indoda yabekezela uthi abazali uthi banjani no don't rush to move out hlala nalomuntu lona nikhulume try to sort out everything together at the end of the day mina wakho in ayikube ukuthi vele ngisi family asekibo bafonela basekithi gazamiwa ke ukuthi bafuna ukusolve this issue basihlanganise sikhona ukukhulumisana kahle hayi bamuphi chance ukuthi achaze side lakhe la story awusozi guy was like no ugeli accused of rape so yena he was advised ukuthi play along or awusozi utlwa makafela anya ukuthi accountability muguy yena he was advised ukuthi play along until umntwana azala azokhona uthola ama DNA test. Uthi ngitshela awusijoze orompotse fela so utshele ifamily like that so ifamily was like no you need to wait until umntwana azala for us to confirm ukuthi wakhe or indaba yerape so sicela bekezele ke monaha or awusijoze ukuthi ama family members anjani or ama family members anjani or awusijoze ningangijudge ne I'm still waiting kisale hona molinyalongile I'm still there as we speak. I'm still there with izinto azise the same. I've lost all the respect I had for this guy. Akisamona kole motho wa selo. Akisamothomba. Or also so now I'm thinking of I'm holding back as into this I hold myself back as into this in this long distance relationship linyalo ona no will I be wrong if ever ngaba neside what someone that will bring happiness empilweni yami or ke tlabe ke le wrong engathola isneaky link lena like have something lana ngihlala khona ezongijabulisa because of this guy like unrobile moya unrobile pilo unrobile everything I had in me. So no, we are waiting for those DNA results actually. But no my husband bayathandana ngibone ngama WhatsApp bayathandana azange amrebi bayathandana but ukai utshele convince family ukuthi yena he's playing along because of ugeli wamakuzo ukuthi umrebile so for career yakhe he's playing along for until umntwana abakhona. So no I was just this guy but I've checked out but I'm still there molding along this guy but I feel like I need someone I will bring happiness into my life because I feel with 18 years I'm not ready to let go yet but someone as my husband and someone as that person nangishetsha ubuhle konke empilweni yami and someone as that person engahlangana naye 18 years ago ngise student. He's there like try by all means to fix the relationship but at what cost? because uhambile wathatha watsa bolwetsi uhambile wayuprekisa umuntu. So now remetse the results, the DNA results, the DNA results the firstborn. Now sesomela ama DNA results kwa mntwana ozayo last born high or get that born or get number man. I get it, or I no longer trust the guy. It clearly shows ukuthi magang lesa skhathi a PCR protection decide la ngale protect ba dira whatever na itsa le whoever na batlo itsa lena. So the trust is no longer there, even the love is no longer there, but I'm still here mo lenyalong. So ngicela advice go mme married women aba go situation yam gore ke tse jwang ngibekezele ke khotlelele o ngizitholele someone nam around my area ngizothi imyeni wami le 2 weeks mangekho ngibe happy nami, or ngizama ukuthi silungise relationship, or should I just divorce the guy ayele nami ngile ngiqhube ngempilo yami because umntwana wami sekamdala. So ladies kids ejwa amadoda shamngezwa khona bathi abantu ababhalishe modimo athi ngithi ningadli next kule nsimi le arabone ngwanyana aja apula atamu ra tlaberileng mara ba paletse motho ba creatileng. Bye guys.